In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link HoYoverse account to PlayStation 5 Genshin Impact. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly manage your HoYoverse account and your Genshin Impact account on PlayStation 5 to keep track of your progress, make sure it is backed up, and synchronize it across all devices. So I'm gonna teach you how to set up a HoYoverse account if you have never used one before, and then I'm going to be talking about how to make sure that your progress is safely backed up if you have already played Genshin Impact. The first time that you open Genshin Impact on the PlayStation 5, you will have to agree with the terms, and this will give you the options to create a new HoYoverse account or already have an account, log in directly. Regardless of which option you choose, at the end, your PlayStation Network account will be linked to HoYoverse. This is important to keep your progress and make sure that your account is safe. So if you already have an account, click this first option, and of course this is going to be useful if you have previously played Genshin Impact on another device, such as a smartphone or a PC. This way, the progress that you have made on these platforms will be transferred over to PlayStation and everything will be synchronized. So just choose the first option and sign in. There's no secret to this. If you choose the option at the bottom, you will be creating a new HoYoverse account. So if you have never played a HoYoverse game before, just choose the option at the bottom, but I assume most people will fall under the first category. If you don't see this menu, or if you have seen this menu in the past but you ignored it, then you either have to reinstall the game or sign in using a different PlayStation Network ID. Now, the secondary option is going to be if you already have made progress on the PlayStation 5. So if you have played Genshin Impact on the PlayStation 5 for a while, and now you want to save the progress to a HoYoverse account, go into the settings on the Paimon menu. Then, under the account category, choose User Center. In the User Center, you will find the option to link your account. So now you will be linking the PlayStation progress that you have made to a HoYoverse account. So you input an email address, send the verification code, create a password, and then read and agree with the terms. As I've said before, this is going to be useful if you have played and made progress on Genshin Impact on the PlayStation 5, and now you want to link it to a HoYoverse account. But if you have already played Genshin Impact on other platforms and you have a HoYoverse account, then use the function when you open the game, otherwise you might lose your progress. I hope I was able to help you on how to link HoYoverse account to PlayStation 5 Genshin Impact. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.